it's Melissa. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick trick on what to do if your laser engraver, whether that's the XTool M1 or the P2, is not actually engraving. Whether it's going through the motions and nothing is happening, or you are getting an alert in Creative Space telling you that you need to clean the laser. What do you do? So for the M1, that's what we're going to focus on here today. You are actually going to use your phone and you are going to place it underneath the laser, facing up so that you can see what to do. There's another option which involves turning your entire laser machine upside down. We are not going to do that. Hi, so I have my phone upside down inside my M1. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull the laser module out. You might need to turn your machine off to do this, to get it to go freely. And then you're going to move the laser module over so you can see underneath in your phone. Now, this part normally has my air assist on there, but I took it off so that I could clean. So this is the part that you are going to want to clean up in there. So you're just going to take a Q-tip dipped in some alcohol, and you are going to carefully clean in here like this. That's it. This is it. This is all you have to do. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see if anything came off of there. It doesn't look like it to me, but you will get the message that you need to clean your M1 every couple of hours of working time, or when it gets actually dirty. Okay? That's it.